Well, fellow RVers, this is Gary. I got Sharon behind the camera. I'm out here with my guitar. And my wife has wanted me to express my thoughts to you about RV living. So, I'm going to attempt to do that right now. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I woke up at the crack of dawn. My dogs had to use nature's lawn. But that's camping in my RV. So, out the door, no coffee cup. Just some doggy bags to pick it up. Oh, it's camping in my RV. Well, my fridge is too hot, my water's too cold, my generator won't start, and now those dogs have to go. I put my chair under that old shady tree. Mosquito took 2 quarts of plug from me, so well, I'm rolling down the road and I'm doing just fine. Looked out my mirror, there's my sewer line. Hey, that's camping in my RV. Well, we're gonna stop for the night. We gotta put a 30-footer in a 23-foot sight. Hey, that's camping in my RV. Well, my AC won't work, my awning blew away, and it's just another RV day. But I'm ready to hit the road. Good God, I forgot to hook up my toes, so I hope that I've enlightened you. RV living is the life for you. Hey, I love camping in my RV. The way life was meant to be. My dogs are looking at me. Where's those doggy bags? Well, folks, that's my take on RV living. So I hope I have enlightened you, because this is the thing to do. Might have been an oops in there or two, but that's all.
You're still rhyming.
For you. Take care.